Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this AE like watermark on CapCut PC. So select this green screen. Okay, I don't know why that does not exist. I'm just gonna try to find another one like that, and I'm going to add in the text or the watermark or whatever. Just going to type in the word watermark. Gonna then change the font as well, and I'm also going to add in a shadow to that. Select this and then export still frame and then select import project. Go to media, go to local, and find that watermark. Add it like on top of your video, and then go to the cutout and select chroma key. Select the color picker and adjust the strength but add in shadow. Then you're going to right click. Wait, let me just adjust the size. You're then going to right click, create compound clip, and you're going to select chroma key again, select the color picker and select the white and adjust the strength but add in the shadow. And that is pretty much it, really. It is as simple as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!